Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vivinsai of Standard 5. I and my team had designed smart lunch box format. It helps to keep our food warm without using fire or gas. Aim of my project is to warm food safely using electricity.
Material lunch box, making my name wire LED bulb, 100K energy, working. Let me show. When I switch on the power electricity, it flows to the heating part. The heating part becomes hot. This heat makes the food warm. Switch off. When I switch off, the electricity stops and the heating also stops.
Science behind the electricity can change into heat energy. Heat energy, this heat is used to warm the food.
Advantage: keep food warm, easy to carry, safe to use, save time. This project